What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Consumer Picks. Today we are talking about something that most car owners don't think about nearly enough: your oil filter. And listen, if you're spending good money on full synthetic oil, you absolutely cannot afford to pair it with a bargain bin filter. A bad filter can clog up, let contaminants slip through, and quietly destroy the engine you're trying to protect. So, today we've got the 8 best synthetic oil filters of 2026, tested, ranked, and broken down so you know exactly what to buy. Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 8, we've got the Bosch Premium Oil Filter. One of the standout features here is the exclusive Filtech filtration media, which is engineered to hold up to 14 grams of dirt and contaminants. That's impressive capacity for a filter in this category and helps maintain consistent oil flow while trapping harmful particles before they circulate through your engine. Another big advantage is the silicone anti-drainback valve. This is especially important because most engine wear happens during startup, before oil has fully circulated. The Bosch Premium helps keep oil in the filter when the engine is off, so you get faster lubrication and better protection the moment you turn the key. You get strong steel base plates for durability, a spiral wound metal center tube for added internal strength under pressure, and a high lubricity gasket that creates a tight seal while still being easy to remove during oil changes. It lands at number 8 because it combines strong filtration performance, durable construction, and dependable startup protection in a package that simply works. At number 7, MAN doesn't rely on flashy marketing or gimmicks. Instead, the focus is pure engineering and consistent performance. This filter uses a high-quality spin-on design with precisely calibrated bypass valves that open and close at the correct pressure levels. That matters because it helps maintain proper oil flow under different driving conditions while still protecting the engine when oil pressure spikes during cold starts. The filtration system is designed for efficient contaminant separation with high dirt-holding capacity and minimal pressure drop. In simple terms, it filters extremely well without restricting oil circulation through the engine. Another advantage is that MAN offers different filter media configurations depending on the application, allowing the filter to match the specific demands of different vehicles and oil systems. It lands at number 7 because it quietly delivers premium engineering, excellent filtration performance, and factory-level quality without making a big fuss about it. A true under-the-radar performer. Number 6 is the K&N Select HP 1008 oil filter. Inside, the filter uses a pleated synthetic blend media designed to trap harmful contaminants before they circulate through the engine. It balances filtration efficiency with strong flow characteristics, which is exactly what performance-oriented drivers want. The construction is also noticeably heavy-duty. The canister is built to withstand higher pressures and longer service intervals, making it a solid choice for extended oil changes or more aggressive driving habits. One of the most convenient features is the wrench-off design on the end of the filter, which makes removal during oil changes much easier, especially in tight engine bays where filters can be difficult to reach. It comes in at number 6 because it combines strong filtration, excellent oil flow, durable construction, and user-friendly design in a package that's especially appealing for enthusiasts and performance-focused drivers. If you drive hard and want consistent oil delivery under pressure, the K&N Select HP 1008 is absolutely worth considering. At number 5, we've got another strong entry from K&N Select SO-1004 oil filter. The pleated synthetic blend media is the key here. It's designed to capture the fine particles, metal debris, and contaminants that gradually wear down bearings, cylinder walls, and other critical engine parts over time. The balance between strong filtration and healthy oil flow is very well executed. Another major advantage is versatility. The SO-1004 works with virtually every motor oil type: full synthetic, synthetic blend, conventional, and high mileage oils. So you don't have to worry about compatibility issues when switching oils or following different maintenance routines. Even though it's rated for long life protection, you should still follow your vehicle manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals. It lands at number 5 because it combines long life durability, High filtration efficiency, strong testing standards, and broad oil compatibility at a price that still feels reasonable. Number 4 is the Purolator Boss oil filter, and this thing is built for serious driving conditions. Right away, the standout feature is the Smart Fusion Full Synthetic Filtration Media. It's engineered for up to 20,000 miles of protection while capturing over 99% of dirt and contaminants. But what really separates the Purolator Boss from standard filters is that it's specifically designed for tougher real-world use cases: towing heavy loads, hauling equipment, off-roading, long highway drives, and extreme temperatures. The double helix metal center tube is another major highlight. Instead of a basic internal support structure, Purolator uses a reinforced helical design that improves structural strength under pressure, while also helping maintain smooth oil flow throughout the filter. It lands at number 4 because it combines long-life synthetic filtration, rugged construction, strong startup protection, and heavy-duty engineering into a filter that's genuinely designed for demanding drivers. If your vehicle works hard, the Purolator Boss is built to keep up. Coming in at number 3 is the Mobil 1 M1-110A oil filter. One of the biggest strengths here is filtration efficiency. The synthetic filter media is designed to capture extremely small contaminants while still maintaining strong oil flow throughout the engine. The filter is also built for extended drain intervals, which makes it a perfect match for drivers using long-life synthetic oils. If you're the kind of driver putting on serious highway miles or following manufacturer-recommended synthetic oil intervals, this filter is designed with that use case in mind. Build quality is excellent across the board. It features durable internal construction, a heavy-duty canister, and high-temperature resistance designed to hold up under demanding operating conditions. It lands at number 3 because it delivers premium synthetic oil-focused filtration, excellent durability, and strong long-interval protection from one of the most trusted names in automotive lubrication. If you're already running Mobil 1 oil, this filter is the natural pairing. At number 2 is the Fram Ultra Synthetic Oil Filter. The biggest feature here is the dual-layer synthetic filtration media. Instead of relying on a single filtration layer, Fram uses a 2-layer design that improves contaminant capture while still maintaining healthy oil flow. The result is excellent filtration performance with protection rated for up to 20,000 miles, making it one of the longest-lasting filters on this list. The practical design touches are excellent too. The SureGrip textured exterior makes installation and removal dramatically easier, especially if your hands are oily or the filter is mounted in a tight spot. It sounds like a small detail, but anyone who's struggled to remove a slippery oil filter knows how valuable that can be. It lands at number 2 because it combines extended 20,000-mile durability, advanced synthetic filtration media, strong startup protection, and user-friendly design at a price that remains surprisingly reasonable. For the money, it's genuinely one of the hardest filters on the market to beat. And the number 1 best synthetic oil filter of 2026 is the WEX XP oil filter. The standout feature is the next-generation synthetic blend filtration media reinforced with natural fibers. The media is so structurally strong and efficient that WEX eliminated the need for traditional wire backing entirely. That's impressive engineering, and it allows the filter to maintain excellent oil flow while still delivering extremely fine filtration. And the filtration numbers are outstanding. 99% efficiency at 23 microns. That's finer filtration than most competitors in this category, helping trap smaller contaminants before they can circulate through critical engine components and contribute to long-term wear. The WEX XP is also designed for extended service intervals up to 20,000 miles, making it an ideal companion for modern full synthetic oils. It takes the number 1 spot because it combines exceptional filtration efficiency, extended 20,000-mile durability, severe-duty engineering, and proven real-world reliability better than anything else on this list. If you want maximum protection for your synthetic oil investment, the WEX XP is the filter to beat. Alright, those are the best synthetic oil filters of 2026. Quick recap: WEX XP takes the top spot, Fram Ultra Synthetic is an excellent runner-up, and the Purolator Boss is a great pick for tough driving conditions. Links are in the description below. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the filter you're running right now. See you in the next one.